omo ka kire se eniema a yedi yedwa ne nyina aba sika no nso a yedi yedwa no aba enti ewose animu ya ye sori ho na omo ye adwuma no wano ede maye nukure ni na nsem ni mu eden enso ye bo moden ede ahoma bo ye yam se ye bekọ akotena fie na ya amaye na ye ni baabi kọ ekurowura opemto o se etu abebi o a otosu mienu ehu ne nana no mmobo ma ye baabi ye nyina ye hu baabi a ye ti ye nim se de tie esanse ahanye dwanti emu nsem bebre ensu oto a ateche ewiabo a emfuturo enipa ba ha enso ye meto wo made ni nyina mu no ye kan ya no tu mu ye nim se ye be wie dwana ma ye nim animu ni akwa akotenem enso ena ye ne mo kasai ye hu se edwa no bibia nkoso wom empanyimfo bi aka etia ye nan so am ye hu se enipa a eye adwuma wo hokra no ye pia bebrati kwa ma o makotena fie ene de ye pese ye hu free aban ho ne se edie nti na edwa no ye gyae yo se bibi wo ho a onka ma ye nhunu Oma yente na edwa no yensa wo mu bi se ya nsori a enka omu ntumi mfa omu nsa enka omu nkyire ye mu de enti ana ye sisika no aba eniema ne wo ho na afe adwuma no ye gya ye gu ho de twen hwan e de twen dien ye wo enhwesode enu nti na ye ni abre no ye ti krom ha ene ye bubu kro from jagu ye enu na ben ye nti enu ne ye de be ka asem ye beye yeguso ena me ne mo ka se kro from ja aka ho ene wifo enegumu enti Kumasi Central Market nso beye saa bosome miensanie bibia nkoso enti ya fre MPP aban se omra no mema ye nkyiremu se de wo ka se sika no aba enuoma no nso aba no ye betie mu nkyiremu se animu ya omanfa nkyiremu no amadia ene ya so ye betu ya hofo se de wo ma ye 10 days ya mfa free dwana mu no ye nso ya be ma ye homre ne akeka ye ho ye be dane kuro na butu se sa na aban ne hwehwe dia ene ya nso ya be keka ne ma abom efri se emise kuro mu ha no wo ye dia ne afa ojimifo ye gimi ache ye nyimi biem
otekoko so nyame ya adomo a when is the grand program grand deba Sunday kokohwe krom na wo meyo sampan no tene to so na akwasi da beba ye ba besiesie Kumasa wo hene e ba be di dada kase na krom ase pani aso enu obi a wo hwe kroi so na eto na ye wi a ma wo de nyame ya adoma wo kina muti krom a mo be anu me da na bo na jo 12 e wo Kumasi abonten so fa kwageti ara fa krom sa be dem sa bo fom na misu way back somewhere 2019 about your wo ukra phone no over Facebook page na ya de mame yenhwe Kumasi Central Market
FM 87.9 Kumasi
phase 2 but your bomaden a ora me pese ye tue bo ase ena no pain now you go through a very interesting episode of your discussion. Now, Kumasi Central Market, phase 2. Enra mahu se emma ewo any ready for ewo Kumasi any bread and then central for ishemu a press release statement. Akuma
FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Omo baba be biggest demonstration edietia. Observe ye wo busumi enum. Nti yeni dwumadie mfihyiana. On the 2nd of May, na Thursday, 2nd May. Pacho wo tell me Facebook page, WhatsApp everywhere. Search Akuma 87.9 FM. Akuma 87.9 FM. Bepacho. We are
Akuma FM 87.9
exclusive very, very detailed, exclusive discussions. Now, Oba, Patrol, just share the video, like a page, Now, Odo comment and so at one why a part of the discussion. Akoma 87.9 FM. We are in the month of May. It is very imperative. Say yebedi san koma enano pay mini AD. And everything
Akuma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
After enano pay mini koma no betia say Crowe, we are just not angry and serious enough. Tiediye pa. Yenin koma no enwi ano pay no. Bone say we are just not serious and angry enough. Oh, crew. I don't think many abra make cancer. Bibia ekosubia ewan in chirasie. Ewan reasons. Ewan ye. And in politics, time is of
Akuma FM 87.9
serious
Kumasi.
and a great essence. Emre. Ehuhia pa. Ewo amanyosem emu. Na yante ase sa na ye adwen so bibia ye de beya amanyosem a lose it totally as for mine. Now watch this. On the 2nd of May 2029, Duwa utie me anope wa sentiment tempacho. Yen de yen kan yabon yenim ngoma.
Akuma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Yen fa yen sa enkan ya de 2029, 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024. How many years? 6 years. 6 years. If you poly, ensia. Any, and in there. And a shortcutting of Kejetia Central Market.
FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Kejetia Central Market Phase 2. Now, the Danko Akufo, it was Thursday. And we are shortcutting. Now, it was part of several projects. I would one wire shortcutting. I was sentimental. Redevelopment project in 248 million euros. And a Dutch Bank of Germany with export credit guarantee from United Kingdom Export Finance, UKEF.
Akuma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
And ana take it up. According to the project, now a 48 months. 48 months. 12 months. A 1 year. 24 months. A 2 years. 48 months. Ideally, supposed to be 4 years. Your real market now. Now you benya 6,500 leasable commercial space. 6,500. That is what. I tell you, Tobuasi, what my Facebook page? One thing common, I say, I am giving you a pictorial and chronological description. Adiana me pesa what I say and no peno. Tobuasi, we are in the month of May. 2nd May 2019. And anana adodan kwa akofo ado do the do. Ebe ya shortcutting.
87.9 Kumasi.
2nd May. Yes, Jani we ya. Nanka yebenya 6,500 commercial space. Aya shops ahodo. Ye we are 5,400 close shop stores. 800 kiosks, 50 restaurants, 210 enama joshua fish monger and butcher stores, 40 livestock stores. Say be obi dey aponche, obi ni nantwie aba ho na eso okuna wo baabi moa no mako 40 a wo de beto live ongui. Now ye wia ye be your body me boy dem nti ye be open market a 1,800 meter square community facilities. What it is ne say et said yanka ye di dwa e wo dwom obi ahye ne niam wo fom e wo kejetia wa na say central market no saa na nke be ye open all de ye nkonko a udu a force anu ade aguo na ye hey don't come yo hey yanko hey betobio hey bodio kobio hey mankanio hey namo hey ntumao hey funo hey na chesanu de aguo open. Fie mienu nie ena project no entimi meet deadline. And how did Uncle Kofuado air short cutting? I say no, I have very much confidence. Now, they will be providing 900 direct jobs and 2,500 indirect jobs. Now, how did Uncle Kofuado? Abra we are all kind of some no chira santemai want to mobua say na we are nanka 1,135 kilometer roads asphalt overlay na so omoye around the facilities. The
redevelopment of the Kumasi Central Market is a 248 million euro project and is being financed by Deutsche Bank of Germany with export credit guarantee from the United Kingdom Export Finance. Construction will be undertaken by Messrs Contractor Construction Limited UK and will be finished within 48 months. Upon completion, the redeveloped market will have 6,500 leasable commercial spaces, 5,400 closed stores, 800 kiosks, 50 restaurants, 210 fishermonger and butcher stores, 40 livestock stores, and 1,800 square kilometers of community facilities. Additionally, the project will also provide other essential facilities such as a waste treatment plant, a police station, a fire station, post offices, and an amphitheater. It will help address and mitigate the underlying causes of fire outbreaks in this market, create some 900 direct jobs and 2,500 indirect jobs, improve the safety and security of traders and consumers, and provide better conditions for mobility in the area, allowing traders to receive their merchandise and customers to access the market in a safer and more organized manner. I appeal to all of you, city authorities, traders, customers, and residents, to support and cooperate with the contractor so as to complete this project on time. I cannot conclude without thanking the Asante Hine, the 24822 II, for the extraordinary commitment and support he demonstrated in bringing the first phase of this market to a successful conclusion.
Azatemai, sir project way, no police station wom, fire service wom. In fact, nanka yebenya amphitheater enso wombi. Sa theater na ewo culture center omunsinwie no. Kajetia Central Market Phase 2 nanka ewo amphitheater. Is it when we sit down here and we are talking, yani brain ye kasa, and yes be a pekasa, but at least there are some project wo important. Aben bi say woman when you call. Me say we are in the month of May. It was 2nd May 2019 daya wada yawda na Nana dan kwa Akufo-Addo ni Asante hene penifo akuku da mpepia nkoma ni chocho uro eba ya ye call Central Market Phase 2 kwa ye shortcutting. In fact, mami emphasize say project no adwadifo betu omuntu since 2017. And ye adwadifo, in fact personally Kofi Asante mi jijrem mi say adwadifo monko muntu na mumwa na edan a we die ye bewie na matimi asa babak na adwadifo ne ka Kofi Asante kroma ye na wotia wo de course wo kagetia Kofi Asante bana wo ka biama empanimfo aya to bo ase Kofi hweye Kofi to bo anam so mo nka makoma ntom yam na project ne de 249 million euros at the ho kona adwadifo say no Kofi Asante ya ntiase Kofi nam sem da bi mo ntom bo ase na niam bi ba ne ye bo Asante maya mo hwe ya mo be ka say ana Kofi mpe development enti asem bi ba say ya Kofi Asante de metima ya ne say meka na Asante man yatimi ede ye ho ahyem
87.9 Kumasi.
adwadifo mo bu ni abama bu yabokagu adwadifo yabokagu wana wanya stroke de dem wana waja pade ahye wana waniam yabokagu adwadifo yabokagu dware na si wono obi nkankyira me se bosome nso wa akai ya bede na yawie gyi yabokagu ekai pa Samene Simon say minsa. Regional minister before say adwadifo betu yentu. Mene ni di nkomo ha. Kofi, we nyina momwa. Ni emfa ya no ntum. Na sika no wo ho aya hwe ya. On betimi di sika no kra sanko.
Jadi ni bia ni nema en se Kofi mi prepare some meeting beto so kan sita. Me no mi ni meeting. Me position ni me life na so one sita. Me ma na masam be regional minister be dia Asante abro. Yes, Asante be regional minister. Ma me mo problems living chiro. Now, ye new phase 2 la. That drainage system problem yet in solve. Second phase no, a comprehensive drainage system ma. A bit cure. That Friday night ba holi na. The bam ho December ho. I said it nearly to you. Take it here. Na le tumeti and na le function. And they say a lorry terminal to support Central Market. It's only for shops. It's only for shops. Yeah, na mo di kan on be kagiti. O ma just kagiti say ya DBCC the go. Maybe a same big jina.
Akuma 87.
Na wo mo ever Central Market abidiga. So you get ni okofa ne niam ba car de beba maybe be nya jina. Wo mo ever to niam maybe on be jina. Obi fi mi ko mu jaachi o be fa niam akojachi akotonwa. Baby and the car big enough. That's a lot of time. But you will change the function or the functionality of Pegitia into shops. Also provided alternative means, alternative lorry park. But they didn't do that. Time or more base Safio. I think I need now never up him. They say who call on my car to bet me now ayo hanem watchi maximum 2015. Yafa say car for be the car commercial car no the number now cost 900 no and you two up on TNT run about to be there than lorry. I'm a confirm not to hospital in than lorry.
Why original minister? Someone say mensa. He was very emphatic.
87.9 Kumasi.
Mene na di nkomo. Kofi. Edumre biam ye Kumasi Asante my development. Kofi momwa. Mr. Chief, ya be boa dodo. Na wa wini mu nkofo. Wa hwe ye bedu babi ni ama won sesi fom. Ni ama dwadi fon sesi fom. No. Kofi we nkwa de ye mfa nko ho. Because etwase enye sika ntem. Ni develop project no. We are not there because my men paid the fortune.
Daily time, and that's the 44. There be a drone, said the energy pet mesro me a me ya de no me ka se ye me da na me boa ko me nana ba pe wu ya me ne me nana ti no no ton ne ma wuju e do be ko ne ma no ja na nku yi no oba hu na ni ma no se na nku yi e de ku yi no oba no hu se ku yi lemo ibi bedru ba bi na for some time previous untimi ton ne ma na umu wu akoba bi obanya ba bi krati then so no it will take some time and sana manfo ashasi abaho abidi dwane ade no ye how then so no ya hwe yi so afisa ade na ye wo fascination ku umia usu umia so an nature baby adun de wo fi mia na usu na kine bi ne hoto no forever because nya ensem be hagin
ya nya ensem no aye ka no ebe adwen ade adwen na be ha because the UK facility and the credit facility no they were ready to pull out. So by now I'm fine she pay nwa kwa mu na wa mo am adwadifo because na nya o ma sede so mbetu adwadifo. It was the government responsibility some be clear space in namode ho amaye na ya ba be start adwuma. Adwadifo tu enya yasem. Eni edare ho na kokware kokwasa sa ya ba project in one ya start here. Contractor Fabio Kamal, he is the CEO of Contractor. Very simple, nice gentleman. Fabio. Now, I had the opportunity to meet Fabio somewhere, 2014 thereabout. Fabio said, Kofi, the coffee. Ghana, Kumasi must develop. And all your project will be sir. Brazil. Just that Brazil minor assassin and yet assasibia nya busia ana ohene edia. Everything is for the state. The abine sorry so the project and one say epoa no apia ko akira for the next 10 years. No apia pono ko akire, no apia mo no apia pono ko akire. Now we starting we see. Apart from that, senya prompe so musi, no person musi use normal land forest here. But the forest pa. Yen nyan nentwie, I mean farm kese. Oh, I ended up. And that is what they do. And yet you cream. Na kasa sa pion Kumasi Asante my Ghana ha bia ni nyansa chen obi bia ni nyansa kurowe mu bia ni nyansa ti asem na bana wo de wadwen kɔ ho no da bi wo kyena mekɔ akɔkyerɛ wade ɔte kɔkɔ so nyame ya adom a when is the grand program grand deba Sunday kɔkɔ hwe kurom na wo meyo sampan no tene to so na akwasi da beba ye ba be siesie kumata wo hene e ba be di dada kase na kurom ase pani asuenu obi a wo hwe kuroi so na eto na ye wi a ma wo de nyame ya adoma wo kyena muti kurom a mo be anura me da na bo na jo 12 e wo kumase abonten so fa kwageti ara fa kurom sa be dem sa bo fom na misu